Today's video. Start the day off washing the car. Yes, I know it's been a while. Lost my phone, lost all the footage. We're gonna move past it. So back in action now. Actually, do have a new addition. It's been added, but again, like I said, I lost some footage to it. I'll show you after we wash the car. And again, yeah, we're gonna tackle that, clear that out again. So let's wash the car because it's nice and dirty. And I'll show you the new addition that we have added. Again, I lost the footage of it getting installed, all that good stuff. But I'll show you the aftermath of it. Well, let's get the car washed. Back inside, show you this right quick. So next up, we're gonna, obviously you guys remember from last couple of videos, have the rear suspension. These are the shocks and the springs. You need to go ahead and get these brand new ones installed, swapped out for the ones I have. Feels like the car dropped itself half an inch because I'm kind of scraping a lot. So it may have something to do with this, I don't know. Either way, I got a brand new set. Basically an officer lifetime warranty. Just call and send you out the fronts or the rears first, and then we send the old ones back and send you a new set. So if you guys remember, I already did the fronts. I never got around to the rears because I got extremely busy. And lost my camera, then lost the footage, etc. So as you guys can see, the quality of this should be a lot better than previous videos because this is a different camera. But again, I want to show you guys this, and I'll show you the new part. I already had installed. I've been riding on them for two plus months now. Love it, like it. Show you guys. Sorry about that. Like I said, lost the footage, etc. Then lost my phone, a bunch of stuff. So, and then I got crazy busy for the past two and a half, 3 months. Still busy, but you gotta get these videos out so I can go ahead and update y'all what's going on with the car. Again, this is the very next thing we're gonna do. We do the whole rear suspension and gonna raise the car again. Too old to be scraping. I mind the little scrapes every now and then, but you know, obviously with the car putting down the power, the rear squats and it starts scraping. So I'm gonna raise the car at least probably a quarter of an inch to a half an inch to help you alleviate that problem as well. But again, that's another video. So to show you guys, we got these parts, and that has something to do with it and a bunch of other stuff. So to go outside, I'll show you the new mod that I already added during the holiday season. Been riding on it, love it, way better than my previous ones. And you guys got any questions, as normal, post them down below. I do try to get back to you guys' comments, the comments that make sense anyways. But let's have outside. You see, cleaned the car, I wiped it down. What's the chemical guys vinyl wrap after a wash just to help seal it. This wrap's been on for like 3+ years. As you guys been on the channel, you guys know. We're definitely gonna do the rear suspension, as I said. Get that fixed up. That's coming next. But there you go, just finish wiping it down. So let me show you the new mod I've already added. Again, I added this a while ago. I just lost all the footage. So you guys know, you guys have been with the channel, you guys know what I added. Here we go. We have the Brom Elite seats. There you guys go. Both sides. Obviously, you got to get the red, the battery. If you guys remember, I don't have any pictures of it, but I had the NRG seats in here. And yeah, those things were very small. Two squished together on this side. Two squishes. I mean, made for a very skinny person. These are the Broms. You can see along with the AL seatbelt. Now, for those of you guys that want to know, these are the original seat rails that you use. They're eBay seat rails. You don't have to buy Brom seat rails or proprietary seat rails. Say however you want to say it. You don't need it. You can buy regular generic. Not seat rails. Excuse me. These are what are they called? Not sliders, but I guess you could say the platform, the seat platform that you guys need in order to put the seat on. The seats come with its own sliders. But yeah, you can buy any about that and cut the video. Again, this one is from eBay. I've been using this one for like years, works just fine. Now the seat rails that slide the seat back and forward, you have to use Broms. But again, the seats come with it. When I first got them installed, they installed the NRG ones. I couldn't slide the seat back and forward, but then quickly corrected that. But again, I've been gone for a little bit. For those of you guys that don't know, my car, I'll go over it briefly. This is a fully built Honda Civic R18. You can see there's turbocharged. You can read it right there. The custom gauges, custom carbon fiber interior, custom steering wheel. Almost everything's custom. Fully built transmission, fully built block, custom yellow seat belts. It does have LEDs underneath and on the inside. Let me go ahead and, I got the carbon fiber things. Let me go ahead and pop the hood. Hood's already popped. You guys can't see the gauges. red carbon fiber. It is orange. Again, I'm going back over it because I've been gone for like a little while, guys. Some of you guys may have missed a couple mods I added. Some of you guys may have been around for every video. But here we go. It has to be stuff with one hand. And here we go. Here's my engine bay, my fully built head block custom turbocharged. Those of you guys, there's a turbocharged. There's a Turbski right there. It's turbocharged. There you go. Custom titanium hood prop. Yes, yes. Supposedly the company that made these titanium pieces, this is titanium. Thank you, JUC. Thank you, Jay's Racing. You can repurpose parts. Example, certain Evo parts will fit on the Civics, but I digress. They supposedly made a top for that one. I need to go back and look and see if they did. I want to order that immediately. But here's my engine bay for those of you guys that are just now picking up the videos. Oh, in the back, I do have a weapon on. Chrome, you can kind of see right there. Intake. It was kind of dirty because it's been raining off and on. But yeah, it's full of titanium goodies, etc. If you guys can see. And like I said, it is fully built blockhead, etc. But the newest thing added was definitely Megan radiator too. Bigger radiator with the custom made. It has a custom made upper radiator hose. They don't make upper radiator hoses for R18s, but they make them for SI. So there's a lot of custom parts on this thing. As you can see, the heat shield or whatever. But yeah, I had lost my camera, lost the footage of the seat install, etc. I do have one more titanium piece, my bad. I do have the titanium washer thing. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and get it so I can show it to you guys. Let's go. There's the titanium washer piece. Sorry about that. The reason why I don't ride with that piece on is I've bought this piece maybe, not even gonna lie to you, like 5 times. It just pops off eventually. And the vibration by the motor, etc., it pops off. Like the cat needs to be built a little tight, but the cat does fit, as you can see. It's just very, very, as you can see, very, very loose. And you can pop it in there and get it in there tight like I just did, like right there. Eventually the vibration will get it loose. That's why I got tired of buying it. So I just keep the factory one on there until obviously the car shows and shows. That's what the engine bay fully looks like. Done up. You guys can see it. And then just to show you from the passenger side, if you want to ask. There's the passenger seat side, bottom seat. There you go. I do have red Cover King formats. Obviously, this is a daily driver. I do drive this. I try to dirty. I will wash it. I might buy another set just for 50 for shows. But then again, car shows, you don't see that because I have a whole setup. You guys see my car show videos. So you never even see the inside. That wiring is for the LEDs on the inside of the car. I got my keys. I can go ahead and put the keys in and show it to you guys right quick. There you guys go, see it. LEDs, I got it set to red right now. You guys can see it front and back, both sides. Just gonna put that out with the turbo timer. Obviously with the turbo. Okay. Well, anywho, yeah, sorry about that, guys. I've been gone for a while. Like I said, I lost the camera, lost the footage, etc. So next thing up is we're gonna do the for sure. We're gonna do the suspension. I'm gonna go ahead and bite the bullet. Buy a new one of these pieces right here. The whole damn thing, you know, it's fucking expensive. Get that all changed out. It's a brand new one. That way it's all flush and even. Other than that, obviously I do my oil change. This usually is clear. I'm gonna get that changed out to that clear hose. You guys been following along. I got a lot of those pieces cut. We'll take care of that. But other than that, I want to give you guys an update because I've been gone for a while. This is everything that you missed. Basically, just the bottom seats were added. Been driving it around. It's about time for it to go in. Like I said, when they go in and inspect, fix the rear suspension, raise the car, go ahead and have the motor inspected, etc. We still need to get a power tune on it. Power tune isn't coming. Haven't done power tune because last time I did power tune, you guys know what happened. I got it back and I've just been busy as hell, so I can't afford to have the car down while I got all this work stuff going. So incoming new car, what I've been doing is I've been just stacking cash, save money. We'll see what's in the cards, but for now, I'm loving it. People are loving the car. We got some upcoming car shows. Back in the car show scene, so definitely going to be back in the car show scene and have this car back in the scene. We do need to get some parts rewrapped. Oh, one more thing I did add, I forgot. Titanium, you can see right there, titanium focus. There you go. Titanium struts for the hold down the battery tie. Obviously, I have this gas can weld to the other side, so I couldn't use the other one. But you always see the front one anyways. If you're wondering, 8-inch one will be 8-inch version of that would be good. That's the 9-inch version. It's a little bit too tall. 8-inch would be perfectly fine. But again, I want to give you guys an update on what's going on. Back in the scene, back in action. Definitely gonna get the belt changed out, get the suspension done. And then I'm probably going to go ahead, even though I keep going back and forth, I'm probably going to go ahead and get the rear lip, Honda Effective Performance rear lip added and color match. Might change the color, we'll see. Depends on we're going to get another car soon or not. But for now, we're just stacking cash, man. Stacking cash, stack cash. See what's going on in the world, stack cash. Make sure you're stacking cash, invest in yourself, invest in your car. Don't go out buying brand new cars, paying $1,000 car notes. So again, let's head back inside and walk my dog. So I'm gonna go get my dog and then we'll talk a little bit. So come on, doggy, walking the dog. All right, so yeah, eventually a new car is coming, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. Biggest thing I want to talk about is I'm always getting the people coming up to me and they see the car, etc. And they're like, essentially, how much does it cost to build something like that, or close to that, or in the realm of that? It's quite a bit of money, guys. I'm not gonna sit there and lie to you. Oh, for $5,000, the block alone, that doesn't include the parts inside the block, was $7,000. So just to give you a heads up. If you're gonna build a car, first things first, have another car, a backup car, so that while the car is down, if you're doing real mods, not an exhaustive man, if you're doing real modifications, block build, turbo upgrade, supercharged upgrade, real mods, the car might be down for a couple months. It could be months, it could be a year, 2 years. Like that car was down for 2 years at one point, and then 4 months to 6 months, etc. So you gotta keep that in mind if you're if you really want to buy these cars and watching all of us on YouTube, and past car, blah blah blah. They have multiple cars, so when that car's getting work done to it, they're driving something else. So that's your only car. You gotta be really selective with what mods you put on the car. Especially when you start diving into the motor or anything like that, you need to have a backup car. Because anything can happen. You could pick the wrong tuner, have a bad tune, and bam, there goes your motor. Things happen, guys. On top of that, take your time. As far as it takes time to build a car properly. It's not something I built in 3 months or 4 months. That took several years to build that car. So keep that in mind. If you're building a car, come on, Lucky, you're building a car for real. It will take a while for you to build it properly. As if you go as in depth as I did, exterior, interior, sound system, block, custom turbo. Again, you can build the car any way you want. It's your car. At the end of the day, it's your car. You build it how you want to build it. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Build it how you want to build it. And don't let comments on the internet, oh, you should do this, or oh, you should buy that. Don't let other people spend your money. Build it the way you want to build it. At the end of the day, you're the one that's going to drive it. You're the one that's going to enjoy it, pay for it, etc. Another thing I would recommend, it's very hard to build a car while paying the car note, just saying. So unless you have a very, very small car note, which would be ideal, be wary of putting the $4,000 rims on your car and you still got $500+ note, type deal. But other than that, you avoid those things. You can build a car, just take your time. Don't go broke building it. Don't try to build it overnight. Don't try to build it within 1 year. I would say tackle things like this year I'm doing all exterior, or I'm doing mostly exterior and one interior, vice versa. This year I'm doing motor, something like that. Eventually the car will be built. It may take a minute, but eventually it will be built. Again, I'm saying this because a lot of people ask me questions about that, about the car, oh, it's really fully built, etc., this and that, how much it costs. So it's a lot of money to build a car, okay, in general. So don't think it, again, $4,000 is going to get it done. Most turbo kits alone are $4,000 to $7,000, to give you guys an idea. So again, do your research on any car that you buy that you want to modify, not just necessarily Hondas. It could be Evos or FRSs, whatever. It's all the same at the end of the day. The only difference is power output and what you're looking for. So again, guys, I'm back in action. I do have some stuff coming up with the rear suspension. I might go ahead and get that rear factory performance lip for sure. Go ahead and get that added on there just to have that done. But pretty much, all the big stuff is already done to the car. If you guys been following along with the car, so there's little baby minor things like I had to get those seats changed out. Those energies sucked. So these bombs are a lot better. Should have a sponsorship by Bomb, but I don't. It is what it is. But you guys have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Anything you guys want to see, anything you want more information about, don't forget to holler in the comments. Also, if I have a video on it, please watch all the videos. I get a lot of people asking me stuff, and they're skipping around. How much did this cost? How did you bypass this cell? Blah, blah. And I have an entire video on it from when I installed it. I went through those problems already. So please watch the videos. Go back in my catalog. It helps me out. Watch the older videos. Get caught up to speed on this car, or if you like the 350Z or the Evo, whatever I used to have, etc. Catch up on those videos before you ask a question that's already been answered in the video. So again, I'll see you guys next video. Peace out. Hope the quality is a lot better with this new camera, and we're trying to hold on to this one. See you guys next video. I'm out. What you looking at, doggy? Peace.